Alright, it is still Thursday night, or Friday night, right? Whoa. Is it, what's today? Thursday night, right?
Yeah, it's Thursday.
Thursday at 11 p.m. You can see what's waking us up. A very massive thunderstorm. Was booming a little louder, but some crazy bolts going on right outside our window.
And the rain is down.
So you can see all the rain on the window. Seems like it's moving away. Kind of a crazy way to start the trip. Sounds like thunder bombs are going off.
Literally.
Any thoughts, Jen?
That was sound asleep.
Whoa. You were sound asleep?
At first I thought Joel woke me up with his snoring.
That's some pretty loud snoring.
And then I realized it was his thunder. So I stayed here for as long as I could before I woke up Joel.
Alright, well, that is the lightning and thunder from Beijing, China.
Very crazy.
Yeah, it kind of looks like stuff that you'd see in the desert.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. See ya.